Hey guys. Alright, bringing you a quick video today. Today we're going to talk about obviously the Vitev water filter. So I got some pH strips in the other day, and I didn't know that they weren't for actually like drinking water. So I kind of got upset, but then when I was testing the strips, there was nothing that was really registering above 7.5, 8 at max. So today I contacted, or actually a couple days ago, I contacted Vitev, and I told them about this and I was upset, and they actually said that they would send me some pH drops. So this is actually what you're supposed to use. And I actually ordered some from Amazon as well, like a couple minutes before that. So I was like, well, you know, might as well test both of these, you know. So not biased against the company in any way, shape, or form. Like I said, I was kind of upset, but you know, now that we've got these drops, we can actually test this for sure. All right, so let's get right in. So first off, I have this Quest purified drinking water. So this hasn't been filtered or anything. This is just kind of your standard run-of-the-mill water. So I've had this for a while, so I know it's probably going to be on the acidic side. So let's get our first glass. Hey guys, sorry about that. I actually had to get something to elevate the platform up a little bit so that you guys could see. So we got our first cup. We're going to start with the Quest. I remember drinking this stuff and it was just so horrible. I was like, this is disgusting.
Disgusting!
Alright, so they're asking for, so I've got two separate cups for each one of them. So we'll start with the Vitev, the drops that they sent me through the mail. So the thing is, I will need, it says on here 2 milliliters, so about 2 milliliters. Okay, now I'm going to insert into the cup. Now it says to add 4 drops of the solution in here. Now, this little swirl, you see that color? So I'll set that to the side for right now. As you can see, it's kind of like an amber, like a golden amber color. So now, let's pour some more Quest water. And we're going to, let's see, 2 teaspoons. So let's see here. So these people are asking for a little bit more for their solution. So there's 1 teaspoon, and oops, I almost dropped it. Two teaspoons. Okay, and it wants me to add 2 to 3 drops of the pH gradient from this one. So let's. 1, 2, 3. Give it a little swirl. It's kind of a yellow color, huh? Alright, so let's compare the samples here. So, both of these are this was the first drop. So if we look at their, going by their piece of paper that they gave me that has actually the indicators of the colors and the pH levels, we're hitting somewhere around 5.5, 6. And see, that's the thing, I always knew this water was acidic. It'd almost give you heartburn just drinking it. Very, very bad water. I think it's like a Dollar General water I got at one of our like grocery outlets for like really cheap. So that's why I wanted to test it, because I knew it was going to be pretty acidic. So yeah, not good. Not good at all. 5.56, you know. Don't drink. The other one, I don't know if I need to actually add more drops to this. This is yellow. This is like a yellow color, which is fine though. I mean, they don't have the piece of paper like Vitev, but they've got these little color variants on the side here. Put that in the focus. Sorry guys, I'm filming with my phone. But yeah, if you can see that yellow, that's 5. We're looking at 5, so both of them correct. So, I mean, you would assume, and that's why I'm using both of them, because I want to kind of get the best results possible, right? You don't want to just do one. So, yeah, bam. Quest water. Not good, don't buy this if you see this, guys. 5. Alright, moving on. So, the next here is, I have let's see if I can show this to you. A big Berkey, right? This is my big Berkey. Let me move my big Berkey water filter. That thing's a monster. So next I'm gonna get water from my big Berkey. Okay. So same process, big Berkey with water here that we're gonna be pulling out. So you guys probably don't need to see that. Okay. As you guys can see the stand right now, it's literally aluminum foil on top of a notebook. Okay, so same thing, right? We're gonna give the Vitev drops first. 2 milliliters, simple enough. Okay, now 4 drops. Let's give it some mix. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see that, but it's almost like a green color now. Yeah. It's almost like, yeah, it's like a dark green. Sorry guys, if I had better glasses, I'd show you more. But yeah, it's kind of a dark green. It's like I don't know what color that is. Maybe like a very it's kind of a, I don't know, but it's a dark green. So okay, let's set that to the side for now, and then we'll do our other cup here, and we're going to do the 2 teaspoons. So let's pull out 1. 2. And then again with this one, 2 to 3 drops. So 1, oops. Well, that was probably 3 drops. Okay, let's give that a mix. Looking pretty good. So we got like a blue color here now. It's like kind of like a bluish. It almost kind of looks like one of those, kind of like the blue drinks that you would get as a kid or something. So if you can see that. Yeah, so okay, all right, let's check the pH levels of this. Okay, so first with the Vitev drops, let's get the chart out. Now this is the big Berkey. So this seems like, going by there, we're about at a 7.6. That's what, let me see if I can get this in focus. 7.6 there, because it's darker and it's kind of like the step before 8. So, which is fair. It's just a regular filter. It's just supposed to filter out like kind of the heavy metals, chlorine, fluoride, and whatnot. So let's look at the other. And of course, they've got their colors on this bottle. Sorry guys again for the focus. Let's see that. So we're shooting. So yeah, it's kind of like right before 8. If you can see the 8, it's the kind of the blue, and that green's the 7. So it's probably the step right in the middle. So we're looking at 7.6. So not bad, not bad. Drinking water, you know, that's kind of the level it should be for the majority of the normal normal waters that you're intaking. Okay, and then for the last one, we have the Vitev water filter. We're going to see if this actually is going to take our water up, you know, to levels that they propose on their YouTube videos and stuff like that, and see if it actually carries the weight behind what they're saying. So it's the only way that we're going to have to actually be able to test this, is if it's raising and up, is to not use a filter that's that, I guess it's that close to alkalinity similarities. So what we're probably going to have to do is actually run that Quest water through it, which I don't want to. Yeah, I think that's going to be the best thing to do. So I'll be right back. I'll show you. Take the top off here. I'm going to pour some Quest water into this to show you that. That's what I'm using. So I just want to get a little bit because I don't want to contaminate my filter with this garbage. So while this water is filtering through, I'm going to go rinse my cups out, draw them out, and then come back so we can try this out. Okay guys, it's filtered through. So I've got 2 new cups here, and so the other ones, because I want to go back and compare the original. So 2 new cups. Let's put that in the frame. Let's give a good pour here. A good pour here. Now I'm not measuring these anymore because I just kind of want to just flood it with that coloring, and I want to get the best out of it. So let's do this. Ooh.
Wow.
Ooh, you see that? Ooh. There we go. Look at that. Big difference, huh? I mean, that's before, and that's after. It definitely makes your water alkaline, guys. That's kind of like a straight cut test, you know. I was kind of upset because I wasn't really getting much change from my big Berkey, but actually once I started pouring more in, I guess to get the to actually get the color to come through more, that's probably the best way to do it. So if you get these drops, guys, if you get any of these drops, flood it if you want to really see the difference, because I mean, if you're using a couple drops and stuff, like it's saying, like the color comes through, but it just doesn't come through and permeate as much as if you just flood it in. So once again, we'll take a look at this. This is from Vitev. This is their drops. As you can see, we're hitting that 8 and 9 range easily. Like I said, I can't, like, as far as that color goes, you know, we're still right there at the end of the chart. It's not purple, that's for sure. So I would put it anywhere from probably 8.3 to about 9.2 maybe. And from there's, yeah, I mean, we're hitting, I'd say the 8.5 range here, that too. So overall, I mean, it did essentially what it says it does. And you know, another side thing here too, well, I think I have a little bit more authority in some people talking, is because I actually have disorders that causes mass inflammation or inflammation for me. So and I didn't realize I didn't realize what would actually, I would always look around, you know, and I still take several nutrients and vitamins and stuff, vitamin K, D2, better absorption, MSM, things like that. But I didn't really notice really quick changes until I started drinking alkaline water. And we have a lot of alkaline water down here, of course, as I'm sure that all of you that are watching do. Some are good, and some it doesn't seem like it has the same benefits. And so I got this filter essentially because I found out they said that they were American made, you know, this is an American-made filter as far as the inside of it. Now, they probably like private label for cheaper costs for the actual shell, but the filter is American-made, they said. And so I was like, okay, let's give it a try. So I get it, you know, and I try it out, and I enjoy it. Like, I enjoy the taste. I can tell the benefits are there. They are there. And I didn't want this to be kind of like, I mean, if it was a miss for me, if I can say, if I was like, but I wasn't really on the fence about it because I could tell the benefits because my inflammation had decreased from drinking this. So I could tell that the benefits were there, like I said. So overall, like, you know, I'll get on the website, give them a good review because I enjoy it, like I said, and I kind of sent them a little upset email. So if they're watching this video now, I apologize for sending the upset email saying that the strips didn't work. I didn't realize that these Regent drops are actually what you're supposed to be using and not the pH strips like they use in pools. So foolish me, you know. But yeah, overall, 5 stars. Good job.